Hey, this is Samantha here from Recipe This and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how to cook Cosori frozen chicken wings. If you're new to the air fryer, or more specifically if you're new to the Cosori air fryer, we're going to show you how to cook some hot and spicy wings in its air fryer. Before we dive into this recipe, please note all recipes featured can be found on recipethis.com. We specialise in a worldwide readership and recipes are in both metric and imperial. We cook exclusively with kitchen gadgets. You'll find 1,000+ recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many more over at Recipe This. And these are the chicken wings that we'll be using and cooking from frozen in the Cosori. You know, I always notice they're always hot and spicy, the wings, when they sell them in the UK and in Europe. You know, I'd much rather just have Chinese flavour, but they'll do for an experiment to see how the Cosori performs with frozen wings. So let's get them open, shall we? I'm using the brand Farm Foods. It's a nice cheap frozen foods brand here in England. Wow, these chicken wings, even though they're still frozen, they do look fantastic. And I can't wait to see how they perform in the air fryer. Right, it's open. And let's pop some in, shall we? I recommend doing this with a hand rather than just shoveling your bag in, because what happens when you shovel your bag in is that all the little bits of breadcrumbs from them end up in your air fryer basket and make it absolutely filthy. You can of course do as few or as many as you want, though don't overfill your air fryer basket because then you won't have an even cook on them. So that's how many I've decided to do. I've still got about 3 or 4 left in the bag, but those will do. There's only really Sophia in our house that really loves wings. So that's the wings that we're going to be doing. I'm going to give them a quick spray because it just helps for crisping them up for once they're done. So I'll give it a quick spray and then it's ready for the air frying. Turn on your Cosori, and would you believe it, the time and temp that's currently set on it is what I'm recommending for you today, which is 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 15 minutes. I normally do my air fryer frozen chicken wings for about 12 minutes, but these ones are really big compared to the ones I normally do, and I don't want to end up overcooking them. And then press start. And we've baked, and wow, these smell great. I just want a little bit more crisp on them. So I'm going to add an extra couple of minutes at a higher temperature just to help with the crisp and just to finish them off. So turn it on, and then you want to press the time and temp button, and you want to put the temperature up to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and then cook time down to just 2 minutes, and then press start. And we've baked. So let's check on our wings, shall we? And wow, that wonderful sizzling sound from just cooked chicken wings. And the kids heard it coming as well, because all 3 kids have piled into the kitchen and are waiting for some of these frozen wings. Now it's just time to plate them up and obviously enjoy. I love how crispy they are. And you can't fault the Cosori for crisping up your chicken wings. It's absolutely perfect. And of course you can use fresh ones as well. It doesn't have to be frozen. I just find that with frozen, it's a fantastic starting point. You know, you can just have your food already there, throw it in and just see what the air fry is like and if it's right for you. And then place it back in. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked chicken wings. And these are the Cosori frozen chicken wings that are lovely, crispy and perfect for serving. You could have these as a very quick snack if you wanted in your air fryer, or even for game day. So I wonder what they're like. are really not that bad. They are a bit spicy, but the way my eldest son was complaining about them, I would think that they were twice as hot and loaded with jalapenos. I don't know what his problem is with them, because I really don't think they're spicy. But they've got a bit of heat to them, and they're just perfect. I just need some sauce for dipping into them, and I'm good to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos, check out 1,000+ free kitchen gadget recipes at recipethis.com, join the weekly newsletter at RecipeThis too, or let's get to know each other. Comment below with where you are from and which kitchen gadget you own.